Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your hours played per game on your Xbox Series X or S. So just on the home screen here, let's go up to our profile and select this. Then go to My Profile. Then tab on over using R1 to Gaming. And then going down and choose the game you want to go ahead and look at the stats for. So let's go to Call of Duty and select A on this. Then use the D-pad. And we want to go down to where it says Progress right here. Then go down. And then go to the left with the D-pad and go to Stats. And then you can see your total playtime for that specific game. So in Call of Duty, I only played 7 hours on my Xbox Series X. So let's go back now and then go to Fortnite. Then I'm under Progress, go down with D-pad, and then go to Stats. And in this game, I have 5 days of game time with 45 minutes. Then you can select this and you can compare it against your friends. So some of my friends have a lot of playtime, like 187 days. So you can do this with each individual game. You can continue on going down. Now it seems like some games, these stats aren't accurate because I played the game on like my PlayStation or my PC. So it's also combining those stats. So if I go to Overwatch 2, I played this a lot on my PlayStation. Even though I have my account linked, it seems like it's tracking it. I'm not completely sure. But I never really played Overwatch 2 on my Xbox before. But I have a day in 18 hours and 5 minutes on my account right here. So some of the stats may be tracking a little bit different. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.